smart door, the press side, right, unlock. To set it's set now, and then I will show you the minimum button. Yeah, fingerprint unlock. It's exposed for the A-lane region, and this is the wheel ledge. It is ready. Post also cover the screen too. The eyes and the doorbell pushers. Camera can catch the outdoor photo. This is the small size post. For the OEM ODM servers, you can depends on need. This is the X series process, C series process. This is the K series and the P series, big size package. Depends on need. Okay, OEM servers depends on need. If you want to know more, please contact us to know more about the OEM ODM servers.